Hi friends, welcome to Tutors Funny channel. Today I am going to teach Java GUI development using IntelliJ. I already installed IntelliJ in my machine. So here, first what I am going to do is here if I show the output, we'll see the simple output. Okay, if I enter the name John, here address I am going to write India. Click OK, you will be able to see John India, right? A very simple GUI application, how to do step by step, will teach. Okay. First, what I am going to do is go to the file, new project, click next, give the project name Java GUI, click finish, this screen. So this is the first time you have to make the IntelliJ. If you are the beginner of IntelliJ, this is the first time you will be able to see the here, right? This is time you have to do it. Okay. So after that, what I am going to do is here, if you don't know the IntelliJ, you just go to the Google, you just type IntelliJ download. Okay, this is the very professional editor for using the industrial IntelliJ. This is the editor we are using, right? This one not free, you have to purchase this one. Okay, you just go to the respective website, you will be able to download the software. Okay, this is this one, jetbrains.com. here this is the one. Okay, you will be able to download, you click download and you can install your machine, right? So after that, you can create the new project, look like this, what I show you. Now what I am going to see, this is the SRC. I am going to make the GUI application, right click new. Here we have to select the GUI application showing UI designer GUI form. Here I am going to give Java GUI. Click finish, click OK. You can get it the simple Java user interface look like this. This is user interface. This is called as panel. You right click, select this panel. You can name it as main. We can change the main name as main, right? After that, this is a simple panel. Now what I am going to do is here. Now here I am going to drag. This is a palette which all the tools are there. First I am going to bring the tool into one label here, drag on here. So before that, I am going to explain the layout. Here, the layout manager. You can see here all over the layout managers are there. I am going to select as a default one and select the label one here. Click on this one. Here I am going to name it here this one. I am going to text. You have to change it as GUI, Java GUI. I just make the name Java GUI. Press enter key. Now I want to the size. I am going to select. Click on this one. Size I am going to make it as 28. Now you can see here. Simple, right? Now what I am going to do is here, I am going to drag the labels, another label. You just click and drag over here, select like this. Okay. After that, what I am going to do, I am drag another text field here, right? After that, what I am going to do is here, I am going to drag another label and another text field. You drag here, right? After that, what I am going to, I need one button. You drag here, right? All the stuff are correct, right? Now this is a simple one we have to design. Now you can see the spaces. We want to reduce to all the spaces and all the stuff. Here this is a spacer. Here they will be there. Okay. If I reduce the spacer, you have to just put it here. Now here it's aligned. Here also you have to put the same thing. This spacer you have to put it here as right. It's aligned right like this. Okay. Right. Perfect. Now I am going to name this one. Click the label, name. This one should be name. Press enter key. This one should be your address. A simple GUI application we are developing the IntelliJ. Right. Now, if you want to run the program, how to run it? This one is first. If I enter the name and address, click OK. But this is a button. I am going to name it. Change the name as OK. I have to display the name and address. So how to do the task? Select this one. Right click. Here you have to select the create listener, action listener. Click OK, it goes here. This is the code. Okay, here this one we have code. this is the this is the class, this is the constructor of the class. The class we have to extend the JFrame. You have to extend this one JFrame. However, what I am going to see here, I am going to write the main method. I haven't run the main method here. So without wasting the time, I already, sorry, I have to write it here. Public static void main string args. So you have to write the same thing, Control C to copy, Control V to paste here. You have to change it. Let me change this one. What's the name of the project? GUI. This one. You have to create the J as a object. Here also this one we have to new. Here also this one. Main mean. What's the name? Main mean. What's the name of this panel you are given? Here the name of main. The panel name. So the panel name you are getting here. So you have to click main. You have to drop down here, get it here main. So main is there, right? Out the same thing here, set layout, all the stuff, set it like this. Simple way we have to write like this. Okay. Then only you will be able to see. Okay. Now what if we have to do it here? We have to this name. We have to change it as text field name. You have to change it as a name field. TXT name. This one should be name it as TXT address. TXT address. You have to change it. Press enter key. Now what I am going to select this one. We have to go to the code. This is a code, right? Here we have to first we have to declare the variables. We have to create two string variables. Name equal txt name dot getx. Right. What is done is here. What is the name you are typing here? It will be assigned to the variable name. The same thing we have to do it here. Address as well. Address txt. What's the name you are given for the address text box? Txt address. Right. Now I want to print all the stuff in my J option pan message box. Show message dialog. This one should be in this null comma. You have to write this variable your name. The same thing, Control C to copy, Control V to say address. You have to throw it here. Right. This simple stuff you have to do. Now let's run and check whether it's working fine or not. We first have to build the application, build project. If there is any error, the error should be indicated here. Okay, I hope there is no error. Let me see. There's no error. We are there. Now let's run the check. Run it. What's the problem? Right. Now let's run it. Now you have to save this one. I didn't save it. That's a problem, I think. So run it here. It asks the Java GUI. This is a project which I am going to run. Click on this one. Now it will be building the first time. Now here it will be show the output like this. Now if I enter the name as John, address India, click OK, John India will be displayed successfully. Okay. I hope you guys understood this exercise as well. If you have any doubt on this, you can ask me anytime. If you like my channel, please subscribe me, like me. Thank you for watching.